In this video, we're going to talk about the this keyword. So sometimes we have a field and we have a parameter that have the same names, and that parameter can either be in a constructor or a method. So how does Java know when you're talking about the parameter, and how does it know when you're talking about the field? And this is where we use the this keyword. So this stands for the current object. And Java knows which variable is a field and which is a parameter by using the this keyword. And I have an example here. I have a field called SUMINT and I have a parameter called SUMINT. So when I say this.SUMINT, I'm talking about the field in the current object. So this field here. When I just say SUMINT, I'm talking about the parameter. And let's have a look at this in some code that I have written. So you can see here in this student class, I have a field here called first name. It's a string and it's called first name. Now you can see in the constructor, I have a parameter called first name. Likewise, in this mutator method, I have a parameter called first name. So when I say this.firstName in my constructor, I'm talking about the current object. So this.firstName is the first name here. When I say it equals first name, I'm talking about the parameter first name here. Likewise, in this method, when I say this.firstName, I'm talking about the current object first name, so the field first name. When I just say first name, I'm talking about the parameter first name. So when I pass this parameter, when I pass a string, it takes this string and it sets the value of the current object first name to the parameter I've passed. It works the same in the constructor. You'll know in a constructor we pass parameters to a constructor and we use those parameters to set the initial state of the object. So I'm going to pass a string first name. I'm going to take this string and I'm going to assign it to the current object first name, which is this field first name.